Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all good. I'm pretty tired today, to be honest. I'm a bit dead, but I just wanted to make this video because yesterday I did quite a big face painting shop order and I'm going to show you what I've got. I love watching other people's videos of this, and I think, you know, if you want to be a face painter, you're starting off, it's really handy to kind of see what other people are buying. So the face painting shop is, if you don't know, maybe you know, but it's a business in Essex in England, and I pretty much get all my face paints from here. So I ordered this yesterday and I chose the £5 DPD shipping because it comes the next day and I need it for Saturday. I ordered a mermaid scale stencil. This is actually a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, but it was the only one they had. So that's it. That'd be actually good for doing like a mermaid kids face paint design because it is so small. I had like a bunch of stencils and I've lost them all and I'm really sad. I rebought a stars one as well, which is cool. I mean, I'm not like that much of a stencil-y person. I kind of prefer to do everything by hand. I don't think that it's cheating like some people think, but I actually find it quite hard to get the right consistency of how wet the paint needs to be to sponge it on. Is that just me? I don't know. I really struggle. So one thing cool at the moment, if you buy something from them, this is random, but they send you an aluminium straw. And I'm like a really strawy person because I have sensitive teeth, so that is so good for me because I'm trying to cut down on plastic. Obviously it's really bad for the environment. I got the face painting shop #1 brush, a really fine brush for doing details. And then one thing I got that which I don't have, and it's got a really long fine tip, because I always wanted to know when people do like flower designs and then they have like long swirls coming off, like what brush to use, because when I do it, it's always like thick and ugly. So this is the brush you need, because I asked someone. The Global Colours round #4. It's a royal #4. I don't know why I ordered that, to be honest, I can't remember. I know what this is because this is the reason I did this order. So at work I do a lot of, I am a face painter in a nightclub / makeup artist, and I do a lot of the festival glitter stuff. Obviously it's so popular, and adults kind of prefer that to having the faces painted. So this is what I use to stick the glitter on. So this is Global Body Art Ultra Gel, and I get this colour because it's like a neutral colour, but they do like a gold, silver, pink. It's my favourite, and to get a fresh tub is so satisfying because at the moment I've got like this much left and it's in like, and it's grubby. So that is beautiful. Okay, so I wanted to get like a pearlescent metallic white because I know that's quite nice for doing like on kids' designs, sometimes around the eyes if you want to blend things in. So I got a Diamond FX metallic white, but look how tiny it is. It's really cute. So cute. So I got some black glitter or Black Magic, and like I said, I use a lot of glitters, and I had black over Halloween but I've run out, but I think it looks so nice. So this is Black Magic glitter. Like glitter in my eyebrows, in my eyeballs. I always have glitter everywhere, but oh my god, it's amazing. you see? It's like black but shines like a million different colours. And then I got just the classics. So if you're new to face painting or whatever, the best black and white, well, that I think personally, for different things you need different paints. So to do a white base like a skull, the best paint is the Mayron Paradise paint because it's creamy. But to do like any kind of black and white details, like for kids designs, for anything, I use it for everything, is the Diamond FX black and white. So I constantly have to order these because I run out, and yeah, they're the ones I'd recommend you to get. And I've got a few different split cakes and stuff, but this is one I've been dying to get my hands on, and it's always sold out. So this is the Global Bright Rainbow. So I just think like to do like neon butterflies, or like I'm gonna do like a neon leopard print. Got the Diamond FX Cherry Pie, which is really pretty. So this is a one stroke, which is a bit different because you use a brush, whereas this you use a sponge. So I'm going to swatch that for you as well. Don't snip into packages because I've cut the top off something. For my stencils, I ordered a little ring thing to attach them together. So the other thing, this is every time I do an order from the face painting shop, I buy a packet of the Aurora. Yeah, so Aurora Iridescent Fine Glitter. So this is what it looks like, but it's just the finest sparkly. Look, so I snipped into the packet and I've cut the biggest hole out of it. What an idiot. Look, oh my god. Look, I've turned into a fairy. So I have this, I have it in a tub, and I have it in to like dab on to designs, and I also have it in a little puffer bottle. Doing like adult glitter festival stuff, you can just spray that on over the top, over any kid's design. It just makes it pop. It's amazing. So that is everything that I've bought. Oh, I'm so excited to try it all. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to swatch this for you. Okay, so to do a design with a split cake, you need a sponge similar to this. Because look, it just fits on there and kind of will pick all the colours up. I already have a neon rainbow, so I just wanted to get one that's like bright. So if you are a beginner, you might not be, who knows, when you're doing face paint, you don't just like wet your brush and dip it in, you spray the paint to activate it. So you need like a little water bottle with some water in. So I'm just going to spray it and then pick up the colour. And to be honest, I'm not yet an expert with these. Like I'm trying to learn. Wow. Oh my god, my arms are so pale. I should be out sunbathing. Not doing this. So look, I have the other global colours, which is the neon rainbow. So I think, so the neon rainbow, so this is them together. The neon rainbow is UV, which is really cool. So if you were doing something in like a nightclub with like blue, is it black light or blue light? Which one? Anyway, you know, with the UV light, that glows so much because I once used it. So this is neon rainbow. But look, that's the neon and the regular, and then it's on my hand. Okay, now I'm going to show you my new one stroke, which is Diamond FX Cherry Pie. Same with the other one, you spray it, but for this one you need a brush. This is a 3/4 inch flat brush from the face painting shop. It reminds me of a Disney princess, but I don't know which one, can't remember. So that's it, it's purple and yellow. Guessing, well, I mean gold. Should be quite popular with little girls. It's quite a princessy colour. Maybe it's a bit boring. I'm going to do a design with it and I'll show you. Actually, I just went in the bathroom and this glitter is so nice on top of my highlighter. I don't know why I've never done that before. I'm going to show you this glitter gel actually. Grim. That's the gel. I do buy a lot of glitter on eBay. I am gonna want to start transferring over to biodegradable, but I haven't taken the leap yet. And that's the glitter. So it's like black. Sparkles in loads of different colours. So that's everything. If anyone is actually interested and wants to ask me any questions about anything, or wants me to do any thing with the brushes, show you how I use them, or I'm definitely going to do some designs with these new paints anyway. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to post a lot now. I'm quite new to this YouTube thing, but I love watching other people's videos, so I know how handy it can be just to watch someone sit and chat about products and how to do things. And you know, I'm not trained, I've become a face painter, makeup artist kind of just from YouTube and Instagram, so I know it can like really help, so that's why I want to make these videos. Bye! Ooh, crazy arms. I don't have any baby wipes. Bye.